In addition to automatic batch documentation, the approval must be performed after every cycle. You can use a paper form template or a software solution such as MELAtrace. The intuitive operation and complete documentation of the decontamination process provided by MELAtrace makes it a convincing solution for this task. Template of the approval document can be found on the last pages of the user manual. After completing a program, record your personnel number, a batch number beginning with 1 every day, the approval date, and the program name. The success of the process can be read off from the display of the MELAtherm 10 and be documented accordingly. After performing a careful visual check of the instrument, the approval is completed with your signature. Any further abnormalities or malfunctions can be recorded in the remarks field. Your legal obligation is to provide proof that you have reprocessed instruments appropriately. Please comply with the legally binding retention periods for the batch and approval logs.